internet, today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video. I can't wait to unbox this. I've been away in Europe for a long time, so I've got all these boxes to unbox. It's just so exciting. I feel like I'm a little bit skewed to the side today because I have a cat sharing my chair right now. Well, she's taken up most of the chair, so I can't really sit in the middle. So I'm just gonna unbox this video with her there because I can't bear to wake her up. Anyways, so let's unbox this. Alright, so this is June's box, Kawaii Summer. So, oh my goodness, I almost bought this on YesStyle, like, no joke. I almost bought, so this is basically a headband. I think it's like a cat or a bunny headband. Yeah, let me open this up. It's legitimately, I think it's like a cat headband, and I wanted it because I want to do a video on Etude House, like some of the makeup products they have, and I just need to buy a few like products that I don't have to fill in a few gaps, and I saw that Etude was selling this particular headband and I thought this would be so cute. I could wear this in the video and it would be like totally on point. I don't think this is Etude, at least it doesn't look like it, but it looks exactly like the headband I was about to buy, so I'm kind of glad I didn't go ahead with it. And then here we have a little squishy. Oh, it's not actually a squishy, it's just more like a keychain. It's literally just like a little puff cat holding a leaf. I think it's a cat or a squirrel. This is really cute. It's like a little keychain. You can put keys on it, or you can hang it off your bag. A lot of these that I've been getting in boxes, I tend to put on my bag because I have a lot of bags. If you guys follow Fables and Fashion, then you probably know that I'm a bag person, so I love putting these on my bags. And I think this is actually a squishy. It smells kind of peachy for some reason. I don't know why. I think maybe something in here has peach smell, because I definitely don't think this squishy would smell like peaches. That would be really odd. Okay, let me just try and take it out of its plastic wrap. I get the concept of squishies. I'm not a big fan of them because I feel like they're so delicate, that they're just so susceptible to breaking. Like this, I just feel like, I don't know as you can see, but it's like just this little bit of foam attached to this, and I just feel like that's just gonna snap off at some point. It's so cute, but I just don't see them as being very long-term practical toys. But yes, when you have them in your hand, you can't stop squishing them. Here, I think these are like Hello Kitty marshmallows, like with a little strawberry center. So I can't wait to eat this. I need to eat lunch first before I start eating snacks. I just want to open this and start eating it, but no, have to have lunch first. And these are, I think this is more chocolate. It's like grape candy. Wow, there's quite a bit of candy in this box. I'm not complaining. I love candy. But yeah, it's like little like jelly grapes. And this is a straw. This looks like a straw, but I don't think it is. It's a pen. There you go. It's like a gel pen. I'll try this out at the end of the video. I want to get this out. What? Oh, okay, no, it's the whole thing. All right, I'll get this one out first. This is just little post-it notes of different characters. I don't know the characters of these series. I've never seen this one before. Moomin characters? Moomin characters. No, I've not heard of them, but I love the post-it notes. They're very cute. And finally, this. I'm so excited about this. Oh, okay, how do I get this out? It's been really squished in. Oh no, there's more. Okay, so this is exciting for me because I've been making my lunches for work. Right now, all I've been really doing is sandwiches and really basic stuff, but I bought a whole bunch of meal prepping containers. Like, I bought a bunch of glass containers that divide into 3 sections, so they'd be like little bento boxes, because I want to start making bentos for lunch at work. I think that would be so cool, and it would really help fill me up because I love rice. It's like my favorite food ever, and then I can like pick good vegetables and meats and stuff like that are lean, so I don't have to keep defaulting to unhealthy meals. But this is so cute because you can like scoop up and then have little panda bear shaped rice balls. That's so adorable. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to start using this. And then there's a few other things we have, and I'm not really sure what this is. It's a little bunny, but I don't know. My guess would be that it's somewhere that you can put your cup. So your cup, if you've got like a hot drink or something, it doesn't like damage the table. So you'd put it on this instead. It's a bit stuck to the plastic. Yeah, I don't know. That would be my guess. I'm not really sure. I probably won't because I'm just not sure if it's set, if it can handle that. But I feel like if you have a cup, you would put it on here. And then the last thing is some stickers from Sanex. It's from the Sumiko Gurashi line. I love this. But yeah, just a bunch of stickers. I think these stickers are a little bit more hard-wearing than your average sticker because it says you can put them on phones, stuff like that. Love it though. So cute. Yeah, you can kind of put this on like at the edge of your phone case or something. That would be adorable. And that is everything in the box. Literally everything in the box. Okay, let's test out the pen. This little straw pen. It is cute though. And there's like a little rubber nib at the top. There we go. Just gonna write Kawaii Box. Okay. That's my cat just walking around. She just got off the chair. She's looking at the boxes I threw down on the floor. This writes really well. I really, really like it. Very smooth and it's comfortable. Just the lid looks a little bit odd, but the pen itself actually is really good. I quite like it. So yeah, definitely keen to keep using it. And that's everything in June's Kawaii Box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet. Guys, I'm an idiot. This leaflet actually opens up to show you everything inside. Yay! I'm such an idiot because I kept expecting like a cardstock or something, but it's right here. And I'm right, this bunny is a drink coaster, so I'm gonna put a drink on it very soon. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and all that good stuff. Bye!